We've reached the end of this Adobe Premiere Pro Essential training, and I hope you found it helpful in getting you up to speed with this very powerful dynamic software. And while we've covered a lot, there's still plenty to learn. If you want some more good training, you can begin by taking a look at other Adobe Premiere courses in our library. There are so many for virtually every skill level, workflow type, project type, and more. Beyond our library is a whole world of resources. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro's Learn and Support site can be quite useful. It contains the most recent information about product updates. There's forums, troubleshooting, downloads, tutorials, and more. The Adobe Premiere Pro forum on the Creative Cow is a place that you can ask questions and search for answers. And if you're coming to Premiere Pro from another nonlinear editing software, the Moving to Adobe Premiere Pro Facebook group is really helpful. You usually get an answer to your question quite quickly, and the folks from Adobe are constantly monitoring this as well, so your voice will be heard. All right, so with that, I leave you for now, but please come back to this training when you need to refresh yourself on various workflows, commands, and shortcuts. I'll see you soon in another course.